Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. I call this dish Thanksgiving in a pan. It is so good with everything you love about Thanksgiving, from the turkey to the gravy to the cranberry. Let me show you how to make this amazing dish, and let's get started. And yes, I'm starting with 2 pounds of parsnips. It's such an underappreciated veggie that tastes so good. I'm gonna cut the ends and peel just like a carrot. Parsnip is lighter than a potato, but you won't even feel the difference in this casserole. You're gonna absolutely love it. You're gonna slice them into bigger slices, and you're gonna cook until soft and tender. Move to a pan, add water, and add some salt, and cook. When the parsnips are almost cooked, I'm gonna peel and cut up 1 apple and add it to the parsnips to finish cooking. I add it towards the end because the apple will cook much faster. And now let me start on the filling. I'm gonna smash some garlic. Chop finely and set aside, and now I'm gonna chop 1 shallot. You're gonna finish the whole thing, set aside, and now you're gonna chop some herbs, some fresh herbs. And I have some thyme, rosemary, and sage. I washed, and I'm gonna remove the woody parts, and then I'm gonna chop finely. Remember, I'm gonna leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. I'm finished with the prep work. Now I'm gonna start cooking the turkey. I add 35 grams of butter to a good sized pan, 13-inch. I also add a touch of vegetable oil. That will prevent the butter from burning. When the pan is hot enough, I'm gonna drop the shallots and the garlic. Let them saute for a minute or two, and then I'm gonna add the turkey, 2 pounds of ground turkey, preferably not the very lean one. I'm gonna break up the turkey very well and mix it in with the shallots and garlic. And then I'm gonna season with some salt, black pepper, and I'm gonna add some poultry seasoning. Or you can use the mix that I added here, which is dried rosemary, marjoram, some thyme, a little bit of nutmeg, and some onion powder. I list all the amounts for the spices in the description box below. Now you're gonna add a cup of fresh cranberries or frozen cranberries, it doesn't matter. Add half a cup of fresh orange juice, mix it in, and let it cook down a little bit. Now I'm gonna make a hole in the middle, add 35 grams of butter, let it melt. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna try to make a simple roux. I'm gonna try to make a simple gravy-like sauce. Mix in the butter and the flour, and then I'm gonna add a turkey paste, or you can use chicken paste. And this brand is really good. I love the way it gives richness to the dish. If you don't have it, you can simply use chicken stock, 2 cups of chicken stock or 2 cups of turkey stock. And because I'm using this concentrated paste, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water gradually. Mix in with the turkey and let it come to a boil. And you're gonna get a very nice gravy. It really smells like Thanksgiving here. It smells amazing, especially with the herbs. And now I'm gonna add the fresh herbs. And that's it. I'm gonna turn off the heat. The sauce is perfectly thick. Now I'm gonna work on the parsnips. I'm gonna add the whole amount to the food processor, and just like a mashed potato, I'm gonna add the salt, black pepper, butter, milk, and heavy cream. Mix until very smooth, and now we're gonna assemble the dish. I'm gonna keep it in the same pan and top it with the amount of parsnip. And for more crunch and flavor, I'm gonna top the parsnips with a mix of panko crumbs, butter, and fresh herbs. I spread it all over. Bake at 375 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!